Flick the staff upward as you kick. Simultaneously circle the staff back on the right. Don't grip too tightly. Hold the staff using only your thumb and index finger. Then step back, chop and strike forward. Lift and grip the staff firmly with your palm. After gripping, thrust forward and upward. Palm facing up, left hand in a fist, knuckles facing out. Align with your left knee and sit back. Look at the staff tip, keeping the butt in front of your elbow. Position the outer edge between your elbow and right shoulder, then sit down.